We all know the feeling. Things just feel off. You are not successful enough. Your relationships feel empty. You crave things you do not have. It is an endless loop of dissatisfaction. You look outward with envy. You look inward with disappointment. Society makes this worse. Social media says an ordinary life is a failure. You need the perfect job. You need amazing experiences. You need a flawless soulmate. If you fall short, it is your fault. But science has shifted. Psychologists stopped looking only at mental illness. They started asking a new question. What makes life worth living? Why are some people happier? They found a powerful antidote. That antidote is gratitude, the roots of gratitude. Gratitude is not a buzzword. It is wired into our biology. Long ago, survival required cooperation. Gratitude evolved as a biological signal. It encouraged humans to share. Someone shares food with you. Your brain fires off a feeling of thankfulness. You want to return the favor. This cycle built deep bonds. Selfish people were pushed out. Playing well with others became an advantage. Gratitude is the emotional glue of human society, rewiring the brain. Science shows gratitude physically changes your brain. It hits your reward pathways. It blocks toxic emotions. It fights envy. It fights cynicism. It fights materialism. Grateful people see profound benefits. They are happier. They make friends easily. They sleep better. They recover faster from trauma. Gratitude stops psychological traps. Imagine working hard for a massive goal. You finally achieve it, but you feel empty. You immediately look for the next big thing. Gratitude breaks this cycle. It forces you to pause. It lets you find satisfaction right now. The loneliness loop. Gratitude also fixes loneliness. Imagine feeling completely alone. Someone invites you out, but your insecurities take over. You feel inadequate. You say no. You become even lonelier. Now add gratitude. Your reaction changes. You appreciate their effort. You take the risk. You go out. This creates a feedback loop. Good feelings lead to better interactions. Better interactions create more good feelings. You stop focusing on what you lack. You see the good right in front of you. The reprogramming phase. Not everyone feels gratitude naturally. Genetics and environment play a role. But you can train your brain. There is a catch. Gratitude is not magic. It will not cure severe depression alone. Hard days will still happen, but it builds serious resilience. The best exercise is simple. It is gratitude journaling. Do this 1 to 3 times a week. Sit down with a pen. Write 5 things you are thankful for. Keep it simple. A great cup of coffee. A friend who checked in. It sounds too easy, but studies prove it works. After a few weeks, life satisfaction goes up. Brain activity changes for months, reflecting on the good attack's negative beliefs. You literally hack your brain pathways. Life is hard. It does not have to be miserable. Look for the good. Your life is better than you think.